So if you want to add your social media to your Cinefly account, or if you want to upload your own logos to your Cinefly account, this is how you do it. So on the Cinefly Portal, we'll go down to the onboarding section. Click here. And this is a brand new page we've added it in this version. And as you see, if we scroll down, we'll see an area where you can add your social media accounts. At the moment, we allow you to link your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. And these will all be used for AI marketing, which is a feature that you'll see in a later video. And down here, this is where you can find the logos and where you can upload them. And we use these for our intros and outros. So you can have your logo on the intro and outro instead of the Cinefly logo. But by default, it will have the Cinefly logo. So to import them in, you just drag and drop your logos. And then for your social media, there are a couple of requirements that you need for the account. If you want to link your Facebook account, your account must have access to at least one Facebook page or have a creator account. If you want to link your Instagram, you need to make sure that you have either a business or creator account as well. Personal accounts will not work for Instagram. For YouTube, you just want to make sure that your Google account has a YouTube channel created. And for LinkedIn, there's no requirements. You can just log into your regular LinkedIn account. Once you have uploaded all your logos and you have linked all your social media, you can click save and it'll save everything to your account.